So today, the third day, we are going to do some lovely practices which will help you improve your concentration. Okay? Shall we do the first practice, Srihari? Very nice. So today's first practice is Ekapada Pranamasana. Okay? So you have to stand with your legs about a fist and finger apart. Very nice. Drop your hands by the side of the body. Stand straight. Keep your body loose and relaxed. Keep your head back and neck straight. And close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, you will find that your body is swaying from side to side or front to back. Observe the body with your eyes closed. If the body is swaying, you should adjust the position of your legs and make the body like a pillar, like a statue. Now you open your eyes, look at some point in front of you at your eye level. Very nice. Now shift the whole body weight to your right leg. Are you looking at the point? Now slowly pull your leg up. Keep it at a point, highest point on your right leg. Bring your hand to the chest to pranam mudra. Slowly take your hand above your head. Keep your hand fully stretched. Keep looking at the same point and chant the mantra. Om Namo Narayanaya. So if you lose balance like this, you drop your hand down. Keep the legs same way, one fist and one finger. Close your eyes. Drop the hands by the side of the body. Observe the body. Open your eyes. Fix the gaze. Slowly lift one leg up and try to balance now. Lift your left leg up as high as you can. If you see here and there, you lose balance. You have to see the same point. Then you bring your hand to the chest. Don't look anywhere else. Slowly take your hands above the head and chant the mantra. Om Namo Narayana. How many times can you chant and stand there? Try. Very nice, Srihari. Now slowly bring your hand down. Slowly drop your hands by the side. Drop the leg down. Keep it on the floor. Close your eyes. So all of you please close your eyes. Observe how you feel now. Now we will move on to the next practice, okay? The next practice we are going to do is called as Simha Garjana Asana. Okay, the lion's roar. Shall we try? So please sit in Vajrasana. Very good. After sitting in Vajrasana, keep your knees slightly apart. No, little more. Very good. Now keep your hands facing upward. Slowly take the hand down. Place it in between your legs. Sit on your heel. Very good. This is called as Simhasana. Now you have to do what is called as Shambhavi Mudra. Okay. So you lift your head up. Tale lesa pinal sai. Look into your eyebrow center. This is called Shambhavi Mudra. Now take a deep breath in. Keep your eyes open. Open your mouth. Stretch your tongue out and roar like a lion. Very good. Close your eyes. We'll do a second time. Okay? Keep your legs apart. Hands like this. Keep the hand down. Tilt your head up. Now look into your eyebrow center. Take a deep breath in and roar. Close your eyes. நீங்க எங்கேயும் பார்க்க கூடாது. Close your eyes. Third and last time, okay? Once again, keep your hand down in Simhasana, Shambhavi Mudra. Take a deep breath in and roar. Now close your eyes. Sit in Vajrasana. Observe how you feel now. Observe how you feel inside your head. Very nice. Now the third practice that we are going to do, again it will help you improve your concentration. Okay? Sit normally with your cross leg pose. Very good. Sit straight. Now you have to use your index finger and close your ears. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hum like a honey bee. Drop your hand down. Keep eyes closed. Observe how you feel inside your brain. You will feel that inside the brain there is lots of energy. You can feel the vibration. Very nice. Now slowly open your eyes.